It is said that in any state of India, the police force is empowered to arrest an individual and charge them with non-bailable offences under the Indian Penal Code. However, it cannot, under any circumstances, release the person without producing the arrested person before the concerned court. On May 29th, the officer in charge of Churachandpur police station and Ingocha Singh, acting as the complainant in a so motu case, arrested 19 years old Paominthang haokip, a resident of Old Galmol, Churachandpur. The FIR stated that one anonymous individual, Paominthang haokip, supporter of Kuki separatist outfit leader Mark Haokip, who said, "Let's kill Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh secretly," has been released by Churachandpur police by cancelling the FIR and without even producing the criminal to the court, violating due process. However, the same OC of Churachandpur police station and Ingocha had earlier forcefully re-arrested an indigenous journalist under draconian NSA for a mere post on Facebook, even after the court had granted bail to the journalist. Why is the law not the same for everyone in Manipur? Such an incident of glaring misuse of the law has come to the light in Manipur.